In this video, we show you the two types of Facebook Messenger ads you can use to improve your return on ad spend. The Facebook Messenger placement and using Messenger as a CTA button on your existing Facebook ads. And if you stick around to the end of the video, we will show you the best practices to optimize your Messenger campaigns. Let's get straight into it. Hi, my name is John Tanner and I'm the CEO and co-founder here at Social Media College. With users seeing an average of somewhere between 6,000 to 10,000 ads every single day, it's no surprise that advertisers and businesses are trying to do everything in their power to stand out. Sometimes that means using a new ad platform as they emerge, or trying to find engaging creatives that stand out. In other cases, it's about finding more meaningful ways to try to connect with users on platforms where they're most active. Facebook Messenger ads give advertisers the chance to do this in multiple ways, offering new opportunities for brands to show up where users are already at and to encourage direct communication with the brands. What are Facebook Messenger ads? When you hear people talk about Facebook Messenger ads, they might actually be talking about one of two different things. Both are valuable, and we'll look at how to leverage both in this video. Let's take a quick look at each. Facebook Messenger ad placements. The first type of Messenger ads refer to ads that appear in the Messenger app itself. In this case, Messenger is just the placement. Just like you can also have ads appear in stories, a user's newsfeed, and the side column. Messenger ads will appear between messages that you're receiving from friends. They'll have a sponsored tag underneath the brand name. When users click to open the message, they'll see the ad copy and an image or video. The content can be clicked to send users to a landing page or your website. Everything you need to know about the Facebook Messenger ad placements. Let's take a look at everything you need to know before you run Facebook ads with the Messenger placement. The basics. Facebook Messenger as a placement is currently available for all objectives aside from the Boost Post options. It's typically added as an enabled placement by default on all objectives, at least with the current interface. Several studies show that the Messenger ad costs are comparable to what you'll see elsewhere on Facebook placements overall. They may, however, have a slightly higher click-through rate. Why it can be so beneficial. The biggest reason that Messenger ads can be so beneficial as a placement is that your competition from competing advertisers is significantly lower here. People are also automatically more tuned in. It's like having the ability to send emails to your customers straight to their inbox. When on Messenger, users aren't just scrolling mindlessly through their feed. They're paying attention of what's there because most of what's there is a private message meant for them. They're likely opening every single message to at least see what it says. This is a huge competitive advantage. It can go a long way in helping you to stand out on the platform, even when users are accustomed to seeing so many ads every single day. As an added bonus, customers who have any questions about the ad itself can just respond to the ad. It's entirely possible that this will generate conversations that may not have happened otherwise. This can be your chance to nurture someone to a potential conversion and earning an additional sale. Keep in mind that there are currently 1.3 billion Messenger users worldwide, and around 900 million use the app at least once daily. There's some exceptional reach here. How to enable the Messenger ad placement. If Messenger is available for your chosen objective, it will currently stand out enabled by default. You can enable or disable it just by clicking the blue box. Your placement now will appear at the bottom of the ad creation screen after the recent Facebook interface update. When to use it? We recommend that all our students test Messenger ads on their campaigns to see how they perform for each individual client. They can be used at all stages of the digital sales funnel, though users may be most receptive to them if they're already aware of who the brand itself is. Since they come as a default placement, we recommend leaving it enabled unless you see higher cost per click rates with low conversion or acquisition rates. Remember that high CPCs on their own shouldn't rule out a campaign, as they may be attracting a higher value audience who either orders more on average or who retains longer. Look at all factors before deciding to stop these placements. Best practices. Wanting to rock your ads that are showing up in the Messenger placement? We recommend using the following best practices. Number 1, choose standout visuals. You want the ad to immediately grab a user's attention in general. But you really need to sell it if you're going to show up in their inbox. Have a clear image showing exactly what you're selling, and make sure you split test to see what performs best. Bright colors and plenty of white spaces will typically be a good call here. Number 2, include offers. If you're using the messenger placement to entice warm audiences to convert, make a good case for them to do so. Share exclusive discounts, or supposedly exclusive discounts, coupon codes, or big sale announcements. This can increase conversions significantly by increasing urgency while simultaneously offering an incentive. Number 3, anticipate messenger responses. Your ad campaign will likely drive plenty of clicks to your site and hopefully any actions that you've optimized for. You should anticipate that you may see an influx of private messages too when running these campaigns. Have someone on your team watching your pages inbox closely so they can respond promptly. The Facebook Messenger ad objective. The second type of Facebook Messenger ad isn't a placement, it's an objective. Instead of having your ad appear in Messenger, the focus of the ad is to get your users to contact you through Messenger. The ads will appear in other placements, including the newsfeed. Businesses and advertisers who could benefit from users getting in touch before pushing them to make a sale could benefit greatly from this. This is particularly true for high-value businesses, educational organizations, and B2B businesses. These may all feel inaccessible to some curious potential customers who have plenty of questions for you. Everything you need to know about the Facebook Messenger ad objective. The basics. This objective allows you to run campaigns with the primary focus of encouraging users to send a message through Messenger. It's all about starting conversations, at which point some native chat features can answer basic questions before a customer service representative or someone from the sales team jumps in. A university, for example, might use a campaign like this to encourage users to ask questions to the admissions department about their applications. This can make the process more accessible and build rapport with potential students who may not have applied otherwise. Businesses in high-value, high-stakes fields can benefit from a similar approach. A real estate agent might be able to use these ads to build relationships with customers who weren't even sure if they could buy a home just by generating a conversation. They're an example of businesses getting users to send them a message off an ad in order to get a coupon code, which they can then redeem online or in store. This can be incredibly effective. Best practices. Want to run ads that will get users in touch through Messenger? Take a look at the following best practices to improve your results. Number 1, make a compelling case for why messaging you is so important. Sure, people can message you. What do they get out of it though? Simply using the copy, "Hey, we're graphic designers, shoot us a message," won't be effective. This may be more effective. Custom graphic design work might be more affordable than you ever thought. Give your business a facelift. Shoot us a message for a personalized quote. People understand why they're messaging you and what they're getting out of it. Number 2, consider including an immediate incentive. Can you give users 10% off their first order if they send you a message to learn more? Are you able to offer a free burger or exclusive access to a special sale? Betty's used Messenger ads to increase messages before a big sale and saw a 17.8 times return on ad spend. Number 3, consider sending follow-ups through Messenger placements. This is where the best of both worlds in this video collide. If users actually engage with you through Messenger following your first ad, consider using the Messenger replacement for retargeting campaigns. Betty's used this strategy to exceptional success on the campaign mentioned above and saw an 85 times return on ad spend. Final thoughts. Both types of Facebook Messenger ads, the objective and the placement, are often forgotten, but both definitely have a place in an intentional Facebook ad funnel. They give you new ways to interact with your audience, and both allow you to stand out amidst all the other noise on the platform overall. This can help you create a distinct competitive advantage, especially as you're working to drive conversations and build relationships with your target audience. Want to learn more about how to optimize your social media channels to accomplish your marketing goals? Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel for all the latest tips and tricks, and check out our recent blog posts linked in the description below to see examples of these strategies in action. Don't forget to hit that bell icon to get notified next time we drop another video. My name is Jonathan Tanner, CEO and co-founder here at Social Media College. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.